Hello everybody, and welcome. Wait, I will mute my TV error. And welcome to TF2. This is my first name, gaming, and TF2. Wait, I will mute my TV first. Okay, now I am now back, and let's play some Team Fortress. So, but wait, glitched. Okay. So, but wait, we need to have our stock weapons first. So, this is our first one, and the second part is gonna be my full loadout. Okay. Alright. So I got a rocket launcher, got a shotgun, and a shovel. And I know. So I will make a rocket jumping video. This is my plan. And rocket jumping tutorial, something like that. So this is my normal loadout. Wait, that's not my normal loadout. Sticky bomb launcher and the bottle. I just want to do this. So it will be a half here and a one defense, because I don't want heavy. I like engineer, so let's put engineer into our circuit. And okay, there's no construction PDA for reals, but okay, let's empty it. I don't know. So let's go for training. No, training's boring. I don't want it. Go to no, not casual. Actually, though, I am level 13. So what we will do is go to here and go to upward. So let's find upward fast respawn. PL upward. PL upward. Here we go. PL upward. Yes, someone's here. PL upward. No. PL upward. PL upward. Well, I guess this is not a Minecraft there. So let's just go to G-Grid. Medieval mode. Okay, let's go to G-Grid. So we'll get something. So you must read this after my video because it's useful. So as an engineer, blah 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 blah. Okay, don't read that. It's boring. Okay, I got most kills as 3,000 as heavies, and I got most assists 47 as an engineer. Get all of that by doing nothing. Whatever. I will just go and drink something. It took 50 minutes. Done? It's almost. Okay, guys, it's now starting. Wow. I don't know what he's doing, but I'm supposed to be in my demo man costume right now. So first up, we're gonna do our scout now. So we can only do melee, so this is good. Okay, so let's go inside. Everybody's in this loadout, so let's find another something. Jimmy Michael, Block Big, Mike City. No, I want a Jimin Inji. Jimin Engineer. Jimin Engineer. Is it, come on? No. Come on, gosh, respawn, blah, 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 blah. We need to go to PL Upward though. Upward is so good, like, it's so majestic. Or let's just go to C2 Fort. 2 Fort. We go C2 Fort. So many guys here. C2 Fort, here we go, Black Wonder. So let's wait again. Soldier, the buff banners, and we go. Ooh, that's very good. It's very good. Just pretending I don't know TF2, but I know TF2. I played TF2 like for months or years now, so I already know TF2. I earned those items by achievements. I'm still free to play. I don't have a credit card because I'm poor, but my mom and dad have credit cards, so they didn't bring their credit card. I almost kinda stole it. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna go to jail if I stole it. I don't watch my own videos so I can see how many views. And nothing. Yeah, nothing. Oh, it's almost here. Yeah, I've been waiting for like minutes because my internet is so slow. Like Dan. Some of the YouTubers I know is Dan TDM. So did he just say stop laughing at Heavy? Fight me. Okay. The view model's so weird, like it's so view mode FOV 75. Okay, let's decrease that a little bit. So hey, dancing. Oh. Nah, I will not dance anymore. That's boring. I'm gonna go kill some perks. Yeah, kill some mechanics or something. Kill some human. Someone's got. I don't know where's the garage. I forgot it. I forgot. I didn't play TF2 like for years. No, I didn't. I played TF2 for years, but let's just be secretly hide out. What did he just say, monkey? Did he has own perks? Oh, alright. I will go and get some perks. Wow. What a nerd. Boat kick. Someone's missing. Oh my goodness. What? Get wrecked. No! I didn't do anything for reals. Oh, kill. Oh, double kill. Hey, that's my pyro's loadout, mug. That's my pyro loadout, mug. Hey, Angie, you need to heal your... Oh, why is it still burning? Come on. No! That stupid pyro's blocking me, the fudge. Where's the intelligence? Okay, where's the intelligence? Oh, go heavy! Go! You're my hero! Go, my hero! Go, my hero! What? Oh, okay. Go heavy! My hero! Don 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 don! Lol. Get wrecked. They're so close to it. Oh, okay. So we gotta go to our next glass. Your wallet is ready. Oh my goodness. Just joking. That's a spray. They call that a spray. Restricted area. Authorized personnel only. Is this a restricted area? Is this? This looks like a rooftop. Someone's using some... Oh, good. Let's go underground. It's TF2 birthday though. I know how to rocket jump. He said what a game. Yeah, Gaiden, what's a hold up? For TF2 development, like 9 years of development. Wow, there's still exploits. No! Okay, that is so awkward. I was just doing that so it can be speedy. I want to kill people. What? What happened? Oh, because I fall in a rocket jump. Whoa! Did I just do that? A crit. What? What? Get your headbutt. Get your headbutt. Kaboom! Retreat! I think there's a sentry here. Let's hide. Get your headbutt, Mike. Oh my goodness! No! Okay, I'm dead. Now that's our final... No, this is not final. It's actually the... Okay, let's do it. No! After 2 dies, I will change class. There's so many... No, okay. Introduce class to Demon. My favorite class of all. Man, not that favorite. Just favorite. Oh, killing crits. Oh yeah. This is awkward. Oh, level 3. Oh yeah. Get kicked. Oh man, another die and I will change class to engineer. Yeah, engineer. Now someone's headshotting me. No! No! Oh, finally I survived. I'll just build if I died here. If it will lay egg in your mouth, what kind of... Oh! Get Reese. Get wrecked, guys. Be wrecked. Okay, thanks for the ride, mate. Whoa! That guy have the charging torch, huh? Maybe look at a little. My jokes aren't that funny. My favorite one is the sticky bomb. Heal me, the dispenser! All hail the dispenser! Diagnosis, you suck. My favorite thing about this is sticky jumping, yeah. But I'll die. Okay, let's go to engineer. Let's build a teleporter here. So our dispensers like that. Okay, let's defend our something like that. Okay, so let's defend our control point. I mean, intelligence. The briefcase. Let's protect the briefcase. I have explored there, though. The floating teleporter. There's a glitch in 2.4, like the floating dispenser. I will show you one. Okay, let's build a dispenser. Let's build a dispenser. Okay. Maybe they erased the glitch. Because I may be doing that glitch for years to see if it worked or not yet. Actually though, what's this? Well, I think the glitch didn't work after all. Oh man, the glitch did work. So you know, there's a way to defend it. Just go to here and place the dispenser on the table. Here we go. This is how you defend intelligence. Or just put the dispenser here. Hi. I guess this worked now. Let's drop somebody here. Okay, so. Okay, stop it. I'm so confused at where to put the dispenser. So confused. But first, you need to upgrade your sentry. Okay. After you upgrade 2 sentries to level 2. Okay. So after you upgrade that sentry, you'll get the quiet potion. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, we done it. Yeah. Pyro's helping me. Yay, Pyro. How many metal will I earn in my dispenser if we go back to... It's gonna be a lot of time. Oh wait, it's not. Cool, so many. Already like this. I grab my teleporter. Jesus. Yep. Getting ready. What? So many people in this server. So many people like. So many people. Maybe problem for NG. Oh yeah. I was actually exploiting C2 fort. There's actually a reference to C2 fort where there's an animation that is actually they removed this body over here to replace that body to make it work product of Steam. There, you see that? There's TV. There's TVs over there, and they put it like that. Okay, it's good. In the next part, I'll do a rocket jumping tutorial. I'll do my rocket jumping loadout. So what? There's actually a way to click here to hide your teleporter in this hail. There we go. But the taller here is actually this thing. You know why? Because look. Oh, the shorter. But this is the highest one because look, if you put here. What? No! Replace our sentry. No. No! Don't destroy it. No. They said it worked. Okay, so get out there. Hey, stop killing me. This is my favorite class. Don't kill me. Don't kill it. Okay, that's it. I'm done. So I forgot. Oh yeah, I forgot. I will just for Spy 2. This is my favorite loadout, like, ever. Prismatic. Wow. I'll help you go, so get it. What? I'm so confused with these people. Like always, I don't know. I'm so confused, but I don't know what to do with this video. Is there something? Oh yeah, there's something. Oh hi, let's do this. Let's kill all of them. There's a CCTV there, so we'll watch out for this CCTV. Okay, so let's go. Come on. Oh, we dropped our intelligence. Nice job. Okay. No, I'm not a spy. Look. What? I forgot to empty my hats. Ah, that's okay. I get my no. Oh, come on. Ah, that's okay. Hello. I will trick stab you. I will trick stab you. Get wrecked, my, you sick. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you with my disguise. Okay, so thank you for all watching, guys. This is my first video, and I'll see you later. So goodbye. I don't know what to do, so bye.